So to set up your withdrawal method on partnerstack.com, you can just come here, click on withdrawal. So under commission, you come here, click on set up withdrawal method. So you can set direct bank deposit, you can set to PayPal, and then you can set to Stripe. So because I'm from Nigeria, I do not have Stripe and the rest, so I'm going to use direct deposit. So you'll be wondering how I will receive this money. So you can basically use banks like Payoneer, you can use banks like GeekPay, you can use banks like Gray and the rest of them to receive this payment. So because this payment, I want to earn it in the US dollars, I would need a bank in the US dollars to receive it. So the currency is set to the USD, which I cannot change. And then in my case, it's going to be an individual account because I have an individual account with Gray and the rest. So you can come here, put your account holder's name, put the account number, put the routing code, and you can basically connect it. All this information will be provided to you by any of the app that you decide to use. So if you use Gray, if you use GeekPay, if you use Payoneer, and even Wise, they are going to give you this information. So you connect it, and that's basically how you set up your withdrawal method. So if you have PayPal, you can just connect your PayPal and straight to the point. If you have Stripe also, you can connect straight to the point. So that's how you set up your payment method.